headphones today. Sorry for the long intro. Yeah, I had to take garbage out and do a few things. So yeah, sorry for the long intro, guys and girls. How is everyone doing today? My mic feels weird. This feels wrong. What's going on here, Mike? Okay, let's adjust some things. I've got it on this kind of movable arm, so I can just kind of like rip it around wherever I need to, set it. Very convenient. I definitely kind of want it out of my way though. I kind of want it like more angled up towards me, but I don't want to yonk this cord too hard. Let's try this. Let's try this. There we go. How's that? That's good. How's everyone doing today? Once again, ask for a second time. Where's your coffee? It's right here. I just made it. Fresh coffee. You thought I had people for chores? Those are called kids, man. They're not old enough to take out the garbage yet. Set up a bot that notifies Discord. Yeah, I will do that. Pickles, good call, man. Hey Miguel, what's up, dude? Morning, Bamfu. Hey Hassan. Always distracting you from FOT. Yeah, I have done a monstrous amount of charting these past like 2-3 days. So today's kind of chill day. We're still going to look at Bitcoin. We're still going to do our morning thing, but we're not going to sit here incessantly just watching Bitcoin all morning. Cotton gamer today, as Lucas says. Hey Todar. Alberta, happy Friday. I call you Alberta or do I call you Geo? Call you GA. I'll be TA, you'll be GA. You'll be Geo Alberta, I'll be Tomahawk. Make a crew. Call ourselves the A's. We'll get cuts with a big capital A on it. Limiting losses and taking profits today. Hope so too. Profits are always a good thing. Notification gang. What's up, Brandon Lee? What's going on, my dude? Hey, Sepher. Playlist. What's up? Chris Earl, Johnny Zephyr. Magical. Dan the man. What's up? What's up? Pickles, the greediest trader I know. Chris, what's up? Mine are old enough and they do the work. Lucky you. When are you planning to play Valorant? So I'm gonna do some kind of gaming today. I've been charting for like, well, I was up last night to all hours of the night charting. Because of the kind of week we've had, I'm kind of burned out on charting a bit. Like I've been doing it. So kind of the day goes like this. I chart in the mornings, which is fine. The morning stream is not that bad. Like I love the morning stream. Actually, I'm kind of getting hooked on doing these morning streams. I'd like to keep expanding them and making them bigger and longer segments. I'm just kind of toying with them right now and seeing kind of where I fit and what makes sense. But I'm absolutely loving the morning stream. So I do the morning stream, do some charting there. It's fine. No big deal. That doesn't burn me out. What burns me out is doing like the high level charting for 6 to 7 hours a day thereafter. And especially right now, I'm doing like 10 hours of charting a day, probably, just because I've got so many people asking me so many different things. And I've got, you know, Discord I'm looking out for, and I've got phone calls I'm receiving, and I've got my own interests that I want to chart. Like right now is just like a high frequency time because Bitcoin is pushing up its range. So I've just like, you know, to ensure that I'm not missing anything on the charts, which I haven't so far, by the way, which is like fantastic. To ensure I'm not missing anything, I've just been charting like crazy. So today it's Friday. It's like a chill day. I'm just going to do a little bit of charting today and then maybe play a little bit of games. So I'm not sure if I'm playing games yet, but you know, once in a while I wouldn't mind throwing in just like a video game here and there just for my own mental break. Like kind of like a once every 2 or 3 weeks kind of thing, an hour of gaming. Just something to give me a bit of a mental break, because I don't really get to do that kind of stuff on my own. So yeah. Shroud flicks. I definitely am not too bad of a flicker, and I definitely have my moments all the way from CS into Valorant. Print another clone, problem solved. Easy. Hope you plan for the Valentine's Day. You know what, man? When you have kids and your life is as crazy as ours is, you just kind of appreciate the free moments. I don't think we're doing anything special. We'll probably just like ordering a pizza or something and put the kids to bed early so we could like watch a movie. That's like, we don't get to do that stuff with my work schedule and what I'm trying to do here with everything I've got going on. And you know, we just moved across the country not too long ago. We're still getting set up. Yeah, I don't think we're having much of a V-Day this year. What's the plan today? Yeah, we're gonna do some charts, man. We're gonna do some charts. We're chilling out today. Same as always, we're doing charts. The stream changes Monday, so the stream changes to the kind of more permanent segments that I want to do. I'm introducing a few new segments on Monday, so the stream is not gaming, by the way, just in case anybody's wondering why I'm playing games today. All of a sudden, we're segmenting into gaming. No, we're not doing that. I don't have time or the care to play games. But yeah, Monday we're starting the official kind of scheduling for this thing. I'm going to be working on it all weekend, and yeah, soundproofing is here, so that's cool. Let's take a quick zoom over anybody who missed it on Twitter. I post a lot of cool like other content, including like what I'm doing every day. I post a lot of it on Twitter, so if you guys haven't followed me on Twitter, yeah, follow me on Twitter, because I do post like a lot of, wait, I don't think I have a Twitter command. I think I have socials, right? Or social. I think I use both actually. Let's see how good or bad Nightbot's gonna be. Come on, Nightbot. Okay, whatever. You guys can wait for Nightbot to respond there. But yeah, I post a lot of that kind of stuff on Twitter. Oh, but we've got like tons of soundboards. There's like stacks and stacks and stacks of. I gotta use my other monitor to see what you guys are seeing. Yeah, there's like tons and tons. There's even it's like stacked up right here, and it's outside of my door there, and it's outside of my room. There's like tons and tons and tons of audio, acoustic. Let's go like that. That looks good, right? Yeah, it's about good. Okay, now back up. Looks level. Good, perfect. Yeah, I've got tons of improvements I'm making. Just every day trying to push this thing further and further. So yesterday I spent probably 3 or 4 hours soaking these things in water, then drying them, and then laying them out like this. It's just kind of a long task, right? Like it just kind of takes forever, but I really want to improve the sound quality in here. It's good. I've got a good mic, but I think the quality of sound could be better. Nightbot best AI, yeah. So yeah, today we're chilling out. We're gonna do some charts soon, and I'm just catching up on chat. Blueprint free today. Blueprint is free for those who sign up. Today I'm doing a 1 day only extension of the annual tier for expert on Patreon. So not free. It's free for Patreon members who sign up for the expert tier. Cotton Candy on Twitter. Yeah, it's at Cotton Candy on Twitter. Exactly. I don't know why Nightbot's not here doing it. I don't know. It's doing Nightbot things. And then sometimes it'll randomly come in and start spamming the channel like crazy. The beginner's coin, I trade altcoins. I didn't change my view. It's just what I was trading at the time. Now I only trade BTC. Yeah, I just change my views from time to time. Not my view, but it's just what I was trading during that during those recordings. I always change what I'm kind of what I'm looking at. Twitter's in the bio. Yep, it's there. People will find it. They want the extra contents, they'll find it. Sign up price for expert tier is $6.45 a month, and then you're paying for 1 year up front, and you get Blueprint and Butterfly Effect segment 1 with that. So it's a pretty crazy deal I've got going on. I had it going on all of December, and then we cut it off, and today I'm doing like a 1 day extension because there's a ton of people asking about it, wanting to sign up and stuff like that. So we're doing just like a 1 day extension today. By like somewhere around supper time, I'll take it down. Get to the charts. Okay, what are we doing? You like my cup? Yeah, I like it too, man. Live, love, laugh. Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's not really breaking its range. Keeps laddering up right now, which is expected. My take on Bitcoin today is going to be very quick because, like I said, I've kind of overkilled my brain, making sure I don't miss shorts on Bitcoin. So we haven't taken any shorts yet. We've tried to take a few longs. Some of them filled, some of them not. Some of them just simply missed. The others, though, filled profits. Fine, whatever. Not important for today. Yeah, Bitcoin's still pushing its range. It's kind of got this trend that it's approaching. Not really important, this trend. There's nothing to do here. It's just on my chart to be aware that it's there. There's nothing really important about that trend. Still have a few targets up top here. You still have a few targets that you could see hit. Really what I'm thinking though is we're going to go up to about 64,000. I'm not sure yet. We have to see how these targets react. We have to see how this range develops. But I mean, the range so far is fantastic. You've been range developing this move since you re-pushed the top. You've already broken the top of this move here. You've already broken the top of this move. You're developing a ladder that's continuously pulling this thing up. I mean, it looks like you're just still moving up. Do we have targets up top and we'll take shorts there? And if they end up pulling the move back, great. I'll be refining these targets as these are just kind of quickly what I put on my screen because I have another chart that I work with off of screen. So I have a secondary chart that I work with where I mark all my major levels, and these are just kind of something close without pinpoint marking them too accurately. So you've got two levels here. And we're going to see how they react. Like, we're probably taking shorts there, but again, we're going to decide that in the moment. When you're playing all-time highs like this, you have to kind of decide in the moment with the chart architecture how realistic a level is or not, because we have a level here, we have a level up here. If you were to ask me what I think is more realistic right now, I think 64.8 is going to be the final target. But again, we haven't seen that yet. We could just flatline at like 53.2. We could just straight out flatline at 53.2. But yeah, I mean, part of the job here, part of the most important thing about trading right now, part of what makes people professionals and non-professionals is knowing when to take a short, and not taking the short yet has been like really tough. But obviously we've made the right decision there every step of the way because we haven't taken any shorts in this move ever at all. So and by the way, what I mean when I say that is from like this point we didn't take any shorts, right? So we haven't been taking these shorts because this range is still moving up. So part of being a pro is like understanding where tops and bottoms are, because there's, you know, so fine, you take a short, like what, you take a short here or whatever, and you make 5% here, and these are great like daily profits, right? Like this is great. This is like 12k. Another one here, this is like 17k, you know, longs, etc. So, you know, each one of these trades like 10-20k. So yeah, it's great. You can do those scalps, and we have taken some of those like short and long scalps. But what I mean by taking the short yet is like trying to catch the top and actually staying in a larger size position instead of just, you know, 5%. You make 12 grand or 10 grand or, you know, whatever your leverage is on that, and looking more towards these as something that could generate maybe a 7-figure return or a high 6-figure return, like 300,000, 400,000, 500,000. million, a couple million. So really looking at these shorts with a laser sharp eye, because we have to make sure we catch it properly if we're going to take that kind of position on it. So yeah, we haven't taken any shorts yet. We've made all the right decisions, and we're still pushing the range. So just timing our short perfectly is where all my focus is right now. That's where everything is going right now, because the shorts right now in the market are just worth so much money. It's not even funny. especially on these ETFs. Magic Zephyr. That's all butterfly effect stuff, my dude. When the right level gets hit, not only will I be loading up a 100x contract to let it ride, but I'll be loading up some pretty massive ETFs. Wow, casually you say a couple million. Yeah, it's kind of what's going to happen. First time in the market that we're going to see the ETF push up and the pullback on Bitcoin. That's going to fuel some of these ETFs, right? First time. Only thing that can make you miss is Binance maintenance. Oh, don't trigger me, dude. Earl. Oh my god, dude. Let's check Renova real quick. Renova's pushing up. Oh my god. Let's get out of here. Having a good day, man. Hope you're having a good day too. I got a cat in here. Right there. Hey. I got a cat in here. When did you sneak in here? Okay, I'm gonna get this cat out of here. He's like biting the cords. RNVA will hunt me. It will haunt me. It also might hunt me. By the way, I heard from my bank yesterday. They're saying another 2 weeks is when my accounting is going to be set up. This is so crappy, but it is what it is. Nothing I can do about it. What am I supposed to do? Threaten the bank? You better do it or else. Or else what? What am I have no power. So yeah, they're saying 2 weeks, right? It's kind of stupid. I have, dude, MVM. I don't know, man. I would probably try to aim lower on AVE down, but you know, that doesn't mean it's gonna go lower. Who the F is your bank? It's one of the big ones, Magical. I won't say who, but it's one of the big ones. But I mean, banks in Canada are all equally terrible, to be honest. How often would a gem situation like RNVA pop up? Daily? Apparently their investment center is extremely backed up right now, which kind of makes sense with COVID going on and with everything going on in the markets right now with Bitcoin moving up and all this stuff. Like I'm sure they have tons of people calling in for monarch of reasons. Like there's no end to the reasons that people would be calling investment banking right now, trying to start a new career, changing investments because they need money because they're running out of money because of COVID right now. COVID benefit relief is changing. People need to cash out investments to survive. They want to put into new investments because they want to try to create a new income. They see everything that's happening with Bitcoin, with the economy, with the Canadian dollar. There is just like an ungodly amount. Like I think right now is probably, if I had to guess, one of the most active times banking has ever seen in like the past, I don't know, 20, 30 years. Threat of recession. House prices in Canada are booming. There's another one. House prices are just on fire in Canada right now. Our housing market is just going crazy. So people are, you know, investment withdrawing, investment hedging. Just there's so much going on in the banking world right now that it kind of doesn't really surprise me. So I'm not really that bothered by it because I understand. But like, yeah, it really sucks being on the other end because it's like, oh, I've been at this for months and now they're saying, oh, we finally completed all your documentation. And then it's 2 weeks behind because they forgot to put the stupid 2 little letters on the end of my address. So you have your address and it says like street or drive or avenue or boulevard or cove or whatever. Like, I know you live on 123 Cove, so it's like, or 123 Street Cove, or like 123 Banff Cove. So you had like that little CV tag at the end, or whatever tag your thing would be. They forgot to put that, so it held it up for 2 weeks because I waited for the processing time. They sent it back saying, "Oh, we forgot to put that." It's like, are you kidding me? And then they got it wrong too. Then they put the wrong thing on it, and I had to correct them. Luckily, that didn't cause any delays. But they're like, "Oh, we just had a little mishap here. We forgot to put this on your application." So they sent it back into the queue, which is it's just so stupid. And then I had to tell them, "Wait, you guys actually put it wrong again. First you missed it, now you put it wrong. You have my address on file, like." You figure, yeah, it's silly. But anyways, 2 weeks. That long story short, 2 weeks. Amazing how accurate it is on the 1 minute charts even. Absolutely, Ross. Every time frame is relevant in its own regard. Learn first so you don't lose money or give yourself unneeded stress. Yep. Who asked what? What are you on about with Phil Moore? Spending your time learning a lot before trading? Absolutely, dude. Learn as much as you can and then take small amounts like $1 and do accuracy tests in the markets. And then when you feel comfortable and you have good results, then you can start trying to up your position slowly and surely. So the good thing about these sound panels is that they're here now. I can spend the next day and a half or whatever, kind of redoing my whole room, acoustically treat this room. It'll look like a bit of a spaceship in here, but hey, it's going to sound killer. And then I can start recording beginner scores, and I'm going to hammer it all out this weekend. Yeah, you caught Ave down at 55 cents. I don't know, man. I think they can go much lower, but Bitcoin could pull back right now. And you know what happens if Bitcoin starts breaking some of these trends and then it starts pulling back and has a bit of a bigger pullback, you know, then obviously your 55-cent Ave down was a good hold. I can't really speak to it other than to say I haven't taken my positions yet. And if I miss the ETFs because I'm too greedy up here, then oh well, I don't care. I'll just next trade, move on. It's like, okay, an ETF, if you catch an ETF here, it's like probably worth millions of dollars. If I miss it, I don't care. Oh well, next trade. That's how little I care about missing these moves. Even when they could be potentially worth like $5-6 million in the bank, I just don't care because I'm not willing to take the little bit of risk that's associated here. I'm just like, I'll only make money and that's it. I will not take any risk in the markets. I've been around long enough to know that there's just like a million other tickers and stocks that you could trade just sitting around the corner waiting to be picked up. There's no point. So that's just kind of my own thing on an MVM. But then again, I'm also extremely good at catching these moves. So if this one misses, I could just go find the next RNVA and just be like, oh, okay, next trade. It doesn't matter. So like this scenario we're creating in Bitcoin is just being recreated across the stock markets every single day on all the other charts anyways, like this kind of extreme moment in time. I'm really good at finding those. So then for me, it's just like, well, okay, I missed Bitcoin. Just on to the next one of the 10 or 20 that's going to happen next, right? So I don't know. I kind of like don't want people to miss the move. But like, I don't care if I personally miss the move. So I hope that makes sense. For me, it's like, yeah, if you're asking like my opinion, I'm just like, yeah, I don't know. I won't take any risk. I refuse to lose a dollar in the markets. And when I do, I like really overanalyze like, okay, what do I do to avoid this in the future? Yeah, Aaron, it's RNVA Renova. That happens like daily, man. You should travel and look for the magic like an alchemist. Whatever that means, I am a fan of traveling. So if you, I don't know what that means, but I'm a fan of traveling. So I'll just say yes. There we go. Nightbot's here. See, look at that. Okay, Nightbot. Let's see if you're going to actually listen to our commands this time. But Nightbot is here finally. Going through trading in the zone. I'm starting to see what you have, why you have recommended it, Olanet. Yeah, it's okay, but it's not great trading in the zone. Yeah, I have, Thomas. Mercury retrograde. Send them a chart of Renova and demand the profits. Dude, trust me. You yell often, or why do you need soundproofing? I don't yell, dude. I need soundproofing because it's I do recording, so it just ups the sound quality, reduces echo and stuff like that for recordings. I don't yell often. I'm a pretty calm guy. I don't really get rattled in life. come to Nigeria. I would love to go to like Ghana. It's where my wife is from, Ghana. I would love to go to Ghana, but it's too hot for me. I think I would just die in the heat. I'd probably just be stuck in the hotel in front of an air conditioner because the heat would just kill me. I would just be a bucket of water everywhere I went. You guys ever seen 90 Day Fiance? You know how when Ed went to Taiwan, if you've ever seen that show, I think it was Taiwan he went to. He went somewhere. Anyways, he went somewhere to meet his girlfriend. There's a guy named Ed on 90 Day Fiance. I don't watch it. It's just that my wife got me into it for a few seasons. So, you know, she watches it. I'm watching it. I'm in the same room. It's like it's on. I know I catch it, right? I would just look like Ed from 90 Day when he's like buckets of water and his shirt is like, it's supposed to be blue, but it turns black because he's just like so sweaty. That'd be me, man. I did see the cat pic with your cat looking at the logo, dude. Absolutely. Best 3 weeks of your life. Oh, I know, Ed. Yeah. That'd be me if I ever went to Ghana. I'm not sure his girlfriend's name, nor if they're together or not anymore. I don't know. I actually don't have cable TV. I think cable TV is a waste of money. Why do you say Ghana like that? Like what? You mean like how I pronounce it? Ghana? 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 Probably my Canadian accent, man. Makes sense. Thank you. You're welcome, dude. I would hate for you to like not. Here's my advice, MVM. If you start seeing Ave down, go back down to like 50 something sats, get out with small profits. And if you miss the move, you miss the move. But like if Bitcoin pushes up to these ranges, you could lose like a lot of money in Ave down. The second one is right. Yeah, it's just my Canadian accent, Kenneth. They actually say it Ghana too, and they're from Ghana. So I don't think there's like a right or wrong way there. They also pronounce it Ghana. I've heard it said both ways, but they're both like from Ghana, and they both say Ghana like that, not Ghana. So who's really right here? I don't know. I don't care, dude. Let's look at charts. So MVM, what I would recommend is like, you know, if you do start pushing this target, you could possibly see Ave down. What is that at like 50, whatever it's at right now, like 55 sats. We'll just call it 55 sats because I don't know the exact numeration. It's like 55th of a cent or something like that. We're just going to say it's 55. If it's at 55 now and Bitcoin does push this target, which is what I'm kind of thinking right now, but again, we're going to play this day by day, but it's what I'm thinking it's going to push right now. You could see like, I don't know, sub 15 cent Ave down. So whatever you've got in there now, 55 might be its final target, and that might be the 400% trade right there, like 15 cents up to 60, right? Or 300% or whatever it is. And in that scenario, you've only just recovered your money as to where you could have made 300 or 400%, right? So yeah, I would be careful if you start breaking over top of this. I would be very, very careful on that. I also think Ave down still has a lot of way it can go. After rewatching your first videos, I feel like your accent has changed a little bit. I'm just better at recording, AJ. Accent has not changed. I'm just better at recording, and I don't have to. You just hear more of how I would talk in real life now instead of that camera shyness, because that camera shyness kind of shines through when you're recording. So yeah, it's not that my accent changed. It's just that now you're hearing more of my real life voice. XRP, I'm not looking at altcoins today, dude. I'm kind of charted out. I've been doing way too many charts this week. They'd have to request me to come, as per tradition. Maybe you might be right about that. I don't know. What books would I recommend? Yeah, unfortunately, Olenat, there's nothing I would really recommend. I'll be charting XRP next on Monday, BKV. Yes, I'm keeping the up ones uploaded, AJ. They are staying there. Yeah, I don't Twitch as much or sigh. Yep, exactly. Just like that camera shyness, right? You just get better at recording, you get used to it. It takes a long time. I've done thousands of hours of live teaching now. So yeah, I mean, it just takes time. It's a skill like everything else, right? Like broadcasting, being able to be on camera, being comfortable with it. It's not something that's just, oh, you're a natural. Like everybody has kind of a progression path they go down with recording. But it just, you know, when you see someone really polished, it means they've been doing it for a long time. Thank goodness. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's why I'm remastering it, right? Because the beginner's course, like I feel like there's a lot missing there that could help a lot of people now. I feel like that beginners and advanced course could benefit massively from a remake, which I'm so excited to do. Ave Down began cycling. Do I have a low price target? You mean like on the bottom side? It's funny, Nick Knack. I was actually looking at that today. Your world's better than the earlier videos? Well, I mean, the early videos, I literally had never recorded a day in my life. Like I had been teaching and stuff like that. So, you know, a lot of that stuff is just talking through like Skype or Zoom or things like that. But I decided to hit record on my camera one night and I just did it in one take. No editing, no nothing. First time ever. That is the first time I had ever been on camera and on film. Was the beginner's video. So like, yeah, for sure. I'm pretty excited to start the new one. Okay, let's do something else. We're just chatting. This is just chatting. We're like literally just chatting right now. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's still laddering right now, right? Laddering off the bigger time frame. Bitcoin right now, when you're looking at this thing, you have to look at it and understand that even this can ladder Bitcoin, this can ladder Bitcoin. Right now, it's laddering off of this. Like it's still moving up its range right now. Like you're still even just laddering off of this right now locally. So you're still laddering on Bitcoin. There's no reason to think this thing is pulling back yet. It's breaking new all-time highs. It's holding its range. It's simply just going to continue to ladder up all day unless for some reason it starts breaking this trend and backbreaking all of these different kinds of ranges here throughout the day. You're just going to see this thing keep moving up. There's no signs that this thing is pulling back at all. It's very straightforward. All you need to do is get roughly over like 48K and you're gone. I mean, that's kind of ridiculous to say that's $800 away, but really anything that could hold you back would be inside of this range here. We broke out of the cabin. Couldn't hold us back, man. You're a good natural teacher, so good stuff. Well, that was the first time. So you saw it like in its rawest form, which I'm proud to say I will keep up forever because you'll see the progression of Continent as rawest form, and then what I put out now is such a massive difference. There's so much between that. You'll be here on Monday then? Yeah. You know what, man? Yeah, it's laddering off its target. I mean, you could go up to like 1.2 in Ripple. Doesn't mean you're going to get there, but if Bitcoin pushes the 60K mark, like, yeah, you're going to push up in Ripple too. So Bitcoin continues pushing up, so will this. Very simple, very straightforward. Bitcoin moves up, Ripple will move up with it. How far could it go? 1.2, 1.3. I don't know if I'd be holding much longer than that. Again, it could break over its all-time high too. Can we see AVE down? There's nothing to look at with AVE down. Any of these ETFs, there's nothing to look at. There's no technicals to do on them. Follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin will show you where it's moving. US citizens. I'm not sure, Kenneth. I know the US citizens have a lot. I've heard some people use Bybit. I've heard a lot of people use Kraken. Some people use Binance US. I think it depends what you're trading. I think that's a big consideration. That I can't advise on. I'm not too sure, Kenneth. Is there anything we want to like even catch up on today in terms of charts? I don't want to do too much charts today, but like I feel like I should do a few charts. Let's open our list. Good. JPY pulling back still a little bit, but it's already broken over its move. I don't think JPY is going to pull back that much. What is it, CNY? I'll remember these one day. Chinese yen. Chinese yen. Oh, wait. Oh, no, because this is a 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart. We need to be on a bigger time frame here. Still moving down. Okay. And the franc. That's all we're doing for Forex is just the yen, JPY, and the franc. Next week, we're going to get back into the big slam of things, but today is pure chill, guys. I'm a little burned on trading, and I've got a long weekend ahead of me of recording content and setting up the recording area here and recording content like crazy. By the way, new video coming out tomorrow. We had two charts, damn. We had two charts that we added, and for some reason it didn't save. It was Bezgin, I believe, Austin, and Anthony that gave us what, if you guys are here in chat, what were the charts that we were looking at yesterday? Because I marked them, but I forgot to save the file. There was 3 stocks that we were looking at. Commodities, do we want to look at anything in commodities? Oh, by the way, if you guys haven't noticed, I in preparation for next week's stream, I have increased the size of all the screens and just taken more real estate on the screen for the chart so you guys can see better. Reworked the scenes a little bit, like the Forex scene is bigger, the crypto scene is bigger, the commodity scene you'll see is much bigger. I just reworked the graphic, changed the signage and where everything is commodities up to the top. Just kind of looks a little cooler, right? And a lot more real estate on the screen. Rolls-Royce was one of them. Yes, Rolls-Royce, good. Good. RR on the LSC, not on the Rolls-Royce on the LSC, not on the NYSE. I think I know NYSE was the other one. So Rolls-Royce, okay, and there was 2 more. There was Rolls-Royce and there was something else. No, I don't share that stuff, knick-knack. I think that's more bragging rights for newer traders. Nobody making real money in trading is, from an accounting and taxation point, nobody's sharing that kind of information. Nothing good can come out of sharing like how much money you make. Just assume I don't make anything and I'm a pure content creator. Just retired as an aircraft mechanic. Dude, that's so cool. So now you're looking at starting your new adventure. You've got lots of time, man. Like if day trading is your new adventure, this industry of day trading is exploding. So day trading is like the new thing to do, or it will be in the next couple years anyways. I feel like day trading is going to be like the new go-to career. Everybody's going to be talking about day trading. Maybe not yet, but people who are here now are just like the first wave of growth of day traders to come, because this industry is just exploding right now. Bark. I don't think it was Bark. It was not Bark. Barclays? No, it was not Bark. It was definitely not Bark. That's what I was thinking. I've got all this time now. So you're in at like the perfect time, because you know what? You're you're experienced in life, you're knowledge, you've had a career that requires you to do a lot of thinking and different analyzing of situations, like engineering, right? I went to university to be an architect, so you know, we're kind of like brotherhood, our careers, engineers and architects. Although I'm talking about construction, just in general, what we do from day to day is like we rely on each other, the architects who design things and the engineers who make those designs reality, right? So you're in a perfect situation because there's no rush to miss anything. This industry is exploding right now and will continue to explode for the next 5-10 years. And day trading is going to be like one of these things that's like one of the careers of the future. You know, like I could see my son, he's 3. I could see my son, like when he's 10, day trading is going to be like mainstream. And like his classmates will probably be talking about day trading and like trading assets. This is just how it is. Like the industry is absolutely blowing up right now. I prefer seeing things broken down into a science, data points that communicate, right? Like that's what charting is all about at the highest level. Data points on your chart that communicate the next steps. I don't think it'll influence the markets and trading at all. It's not going to change the markets in the way it's been the same as it always has been. Damn, what was the other 2 coins? I want to say like VISX, maybe like VISX. VSX, maybe. VXX is one I'm really looking forward to, but man, there was 2 other charts. Something beginning with a V. Yeah, exactly, Tony. It wasn't Planter. It wasn't Planeter. But it was V. Yeah, that's why I thought VISX, right? Man, what the hell was it? I'm going to have to message those guys and ask them. Bitcoin's been climbing and you get stuck at a point. Yeah, I mean, you'd have to be at a pretty high level to see where Bitcoin is going right now, right? Like it's not exactly straightforward. The future of money lies in trading and investing. Absolutely. This industry is exploding and will continue to explode. I could see like a world where in 2 years you have like mainstream on Twitch, mainstream on YouTube, mainstream everywhere. Day trade as like 2-3, maybe 3 years from now. Maybe 2. I don't know. I guess it depends how fast things go. 2-3 years where like this becomes a mainstream category for people to watch entertainment on day trading. I can see that. You got into Bitcoin after you heard PayPal was buying in. Cat 3 Autoline systems, I can figure this out. Yeah, it's pretty, it's yeah, so this is a very deep world, Kenneth. It's much deeper than anything I've ever tackled. It's good that you have that level of knowledge in life. Vixie? Is it Vixie? No, this is what I'm looking at. Futures, this is VXX. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at. Vixie, this is my chart. It's not Vixie. That's everywhere, knick-knack. That's capital gains on day trading. That's not changing. They're not going to figure out a simple tax system. That's the way it is. If you live in California, no matter where you live, you're going to pay 50% on taxes. This is not a taxation question. This is a how does your company run solution. If you're day trading as a sole proprietor, you're going to pay 50%. You're going to pay capital gains on it. If you're trading as a corporation, you're not paying 50% taxes. There's already solutions in place that are already there. This is not like, oh, let's figure out a simple tax system. No, there's already solutions to not pay 50% tax. That would be like saying they have to change the capital gains tax rate to everybody. Anybody who's not doing this as a corporation, that goes for any career. Say you go and buy a box of Pokemon cards, right? And you open up $500,000 worth of Pokemon cards because you got this god tier box and you sell those cards for like, I don't know, 400 grand. So you have like maybe like a net profit of 400K or whatever, or like 390K. I don't know. Say you spent 100 grand on the Pokemon cards, you netted 400K. So you sold them all for 500K. You're at net profits 400K. You'd pay 50% on that too, man. That's considered an income at that point. That's not just day trading, dude. That's like everything. This is not like a day trading only problem. This is the way that the taxation system is set up. This is not something that there's already solutions out there to not pay 50%. Oh yeah, Pokemon card openings. Yeah, XQC started that actually. XQC started doing Pokemon card openings. Got like 200,000 viewers on Twitch on his streams. Did it a bunch of times, and then all of the follow dogs did it. Like then Jake Paul did it after everybody else was doing it. Then who else did? I think Trainwrecks did it. Then Trainwrecks did it. Like a bunch of people just followed XQC. XQC might not have even been the first, but from what I remember, the first time I ever saw it was on an XQC stream. And then I noticed everybody was doing Pokemon card openings, and then all of a sudden Jake Paul's doing it. It's like, man, talk about lack of creativity. It's just like ripping off somebody else's content because they hit like huge metrics with like this really oddball scenario, right? It's like, man, what? Where's your creativity, brother? Like, dude, this has already been being done by other big streamers. Why are you just copy pasting? But hey, man, that's how the life of content creators is. Sometimes it runs dry. That's why I love what I do so much, because I can just simply sit here and talk about day trading. I don't have to worry about like, oh, what am I going to do next? Let's drive my car into a rock and write it off, and then make a video and make, you know, how much money on that. You see, you know what I mean? So it's kind of weird, the whole Pokemon boxing. I just remember seeing XQC on Twitch doing it. And then all of a sudden everybody was doing it. And I was like, why am I watching this again? Just because XQC did it and he had 200K viewers, everybody's jumping on this bandwagon. It was just super weird, man. I'm not a huge fan of that kind of like content ghosting. I don't appreciate that from people. It's just like, yeah. I plan to make one knickknack videos on corporations for tax corporation. I plan to make one. I was going to actually release it this weekend, but I have other plans for it. Nothing like a good coffee to start it all up, man. I swear. Do I think it will influence the economy? Not really. Central banks printing money. 40% of the total dollar supply was printed last year. They're going to do what they do, man. My opinion's not going to change that. Move to the Cayman Islands. There's easier ways to solve that problem. Yeah, Elijah's a smart cookie, man. Elijah's been around for a long time. Dude, you used to work on F-16s, Frank? I know you're into... I know you're... like, you've flown them. I didn't know you've built them, dude. Soda Papa made Among Us popular. Oh, God, don't get me started on Among Us. I think that is just such a... It's like IRL meets gaming. Twitch went downhill when they started doing IRL. They should have made a separate site for IRL stuff and left Twitch as a gaming website, in my opinion, and then IRL. And now you've got like IRL, ASMR. That stuff is cool. It's not that it's not cool. I'm not a fan of ASMR. I've never watched it and I never will. But I just think it's a creative, cool way to tap into some things that other people are doing. But as a platform on Twitch, man, I hate that. I hate the way it changed. I think they should have a separate site completely just affiliated with Twitch, or like Twitch's sister site for like ASMR, IRL, Among Us. Among Us isn't even really a video game, guys. Come on. It's not even really a video game. It's like a digital board game, which technically is a video game. But like, I watch Twitch to watch like CSGO and like Valorant and like World of Warcraft. Even Hearthstone, I'm like, oh God, why is this on Twitch? But I still watch it. Guilty pleasure, Hearthstone, right? But like, I watch, as my own personal opinion, yeah, Among Us is like... I hope it blows up, Kenneth. I just want to continue putting out good content, spreading the word. Like, you know, this week alone, I spent $3,000 on a chair for recording. I spent, you know, $4,500 on sound equipment to get better quality. Like, I am just trying to do my best to capture people and deliver the best quality content I can, to try to show people that day trading is more than what is being put out there, and it's like this exciting, awesome career. So you know what, if people dig it, man, if that's what helps get my message out there, and my ability to communicate at a higher level, and doing all this stuff, like I've literally put probably 50 grand in the past, between software subscriptions for Adobe, between this, between that. I've probably put like 50 grand just to deliver my message to the 9,000 subscribers that I have right now. So for me, like, yeah, man, I hope it grows, because I am just doing my absolute best to deliver the kind of content that I believe this industry deserves, because it's been around it's been around since the 70s, but nobody's taken the time to do this. So like, man, I hope it grows. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm still proud of what I do. So yeah, it's cool. All the streamers are in a Discord together. Oh, absolutely, man. Of course. And they're just metric counting each other. And it's just like, if one streamer and another, if there's like 5 streamers and they all have like 1 million viewers, like 800,000 of those viewers following all 5 channels. So they just metric count it, right? Through things like Among Us. You'll be sad when the channel blows up. Don't be sad, man. Be happy. I love Magic the Gathering, dude. I have a big collection of Magic cards. I do not collect Pokemon cards, by the way. I do have like Magic the Gathering cards. And yeah. A lot of Marvel stuff. I have like a lot of Marvel stuff that I collected when I was a kid from my childhood. Like Overwatch card sets, board games, comic books. I have tons of comic books like just packed away in cases and stuff. No, I don't think it's harder, Knick-Knack. I think you just have to adjust your strategy. What's a good profit that one can expect making $50 scalp trades at 25x on the 1 to 5 minute charts? I'm not too sure, dude. Oh, Clove, dude. Are you the god that we needed in this chat? It was Clove. Yes, Clove, dude. Big play. Clove was one of them. Wilson, dude. Yes. Patron expert tier coming in for the save. Hey, Salamander. Twitch won't even be a gaming site anymore if it still exists. It's kind of sad, because like I grew up on Twitch. Like I've been watching Twitch since it was Justin TV. Kind of sad. Like I remember watching Summit play 1.6 and stuff like that. Like I'm an OG Twitch watcher. I've been watching Twitch all my life, again, since it was Justin TV. So for any of you who don't know, Justin TV is what Twitch was before it was Twitch, when it was just like 10 creators on the site. You sound like my 3 sons. I like Twitch, dude. I grew up on Twitch. I was sitting in you gotta realize I was everybody else was out partying. I was watching Twitch, studying in a small little room, right? Playing poker. And when my childhood was filled with like Marvel and playing Magic the Gathering. Like I'm kind of a bit of a nerd at heart, but you know, not so crazy. Like I'm not, like I played D&D when I was a kid. Love chess, played a lot of chess, played Magic the Gathering, had marble collections. I just like that stuff, man. It's just how I am. How is Tarkov going for you? There's a lot of hackers in Tarkov, man. It's tough. You have such good games, and then you just get like, you be in like full level 5 gear, and you just get like 2 tapped from an AK from hundreds of miles away. Well, not hundreds of miles, but you know what I mean? Like miles away, just headshot. It's like pop, pop, pop. And it's like, you have a teammate and it's like pop, 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 dead. And it's like a scav with just some garbage gun. It's kind of I love Tarkov, man, but yeah, it's pretty bad for hackers. Sometimes it's like not so bad, and there's it's super chill, but you could just be standing there and all of a sudden you've got grenades blowing up at your feet, and you're just like some random spot, and you see like a naked PMC throwing grenades at you, and it's just like what? And they're all landing right on you, so that when you die or your friend is watching, and all of a sudden you get blown up by 2 grenades in just the most inconspicuous spot. You've got like 2 naked players run up to your body and start taking your stuff, and your friend is watching you, and then he gets like instantly headshot after they pick up your gun, because they just go naked with grenades and knives. Like it's pretty, Tarkov is pretty bad for that, man. Like it's pretty, I don't know what you can expect from Tarkov, because the development company is very small. So I mean, great game, but you know, it's got a long way to go, I think. I love Tarkov, dude. It's so fun. I love going in there and you just get like 8 or 9 PMC kills and you extract and you get like 15k experience. So fun, dude. Bitcoin, best one, Kenneth. Flick some heads on EFT. I did play PUBG, yeah. I only played like very early beta. I kind of quit PUBG after a while. I played for a while, but yeah, life, right? Like Old Frog, Justin TV, yeah, Justin TV, man. CSGO 1.6 on Justin TV. God, even like TF on Justin TV. Let's actually do something. What are we doing here? Doesn't matter. Today's so chill, dude. Today is like just a super chillest day. We're not being serious today. Today is not like let's chart like crazy. I'm glad that we remembered Clove though. Let me save this out. I gotta make my list on Binance. Binance, Jesus, on TradingView, my watch list on TradingView. Yeah, Escape from Tarkov, great game again. Just development squad. I think they've developed a very unique IP that they probably never expected it to be as big as it is. Like Escape from Tarkov is an incredible game, but the amount of hackers in there, oh man. And you've got people who say there aren't hackers, but there's a lot of hackers in that game. Sparta, I have no thoughts on Sparta, dude. I just trade Bitcoin right now. No, yeah, no. I would say stay away from that idea. You could make something that would take those profits sometimes, but if I can't do it with the people I had developing it, I don't know who can. Because everything follows Bitcoin to the T, Elixir. Bitcoin moves up, so do altcoins. If Bitcoin moves down, so do altcoins. So why bother? So this is TradingView, Kenneth. This is where we do our charts is on TradingView, and then you actually place your orders on an exchange. See you, AJ. Have a good one, man. And never place orders on TradingView, even if you can do it through an API. It's so unsafe to use an API for anything trading. I would highly recommend staying away from APIs, no matter how good they are. Even the best APIs in the world, most reputable, do not use APIs to trade. Unless you literally made it on your own and nobody else has access, don't use APIs. I trade stocks as well. TradingView is its own website, Kenneth. Yes, tradingview.com is just like what people use to do charts. It's kind of like the industry standard for charting. What are we doing? What are we doing? Are we charting? Or are we going to play a game or something right now? Friday chill. Let me take a look at Bitcoin on my other screen here for a second. Yeah, I mean, there's not going to be anything happening with Bitcoin till this afternoon. It's going to try to develop its range. It's going to see if it can break the range. And if it does, it's going to start pushing up to its next targets. So one quick last look. I've got a few levels up top here. These are vague levels as it's on my actual charts that I'm doing on my left screen here. So this I've just kind of pinned. These aren't exact prices. These are just kind of where I'm expecting to see a few tests. Ultimately think around 64.8. Well, 63.8 actually, but I've put some slippage in there. And that's changing as well. These are targets that I'm interested in right now, but not exact targets. I make my decisions in the moment when I'm seeing what's happening. Or not in the moment, but you know, when we start to get into this area here, I'll be able to see what's going to be hit here or not. So play a game of Battlegrounds. It's a good recommendation. Gold and Bitcoin, no connection, dude. I have my Hearthstone still open actually. EFT. EFT or Battlegrounds. Valorant I'd have to install. I should probably stop making noise into my mic too. That's probably really annoying for you guys. Valorant I haven't played in months. Probably haven't played it in like 9 months. A private lobby of Warzone. I've only played like a few games of Warzone. I think I'd rather play PUBG, but isn't like PUBG filled with hackers now? Do we play EFT or do we play Battlegrounds? Everybody's saying EFT, but I'm in the mood to play Hearthstone because that means I don't have to like think really. Hearthstone's a pretty straightforward game. Got Immortal in season 2 and left. That was kind of the same thing with me. Right before they introduced that pyramid system they have, like I don't know, they had some patch where they were like introducing the new ranking system, and they had some kind of weird pyramid they introduced where like it recorded your ranks. I stopped maybe about 2 months before that happened, and I got to the rank right under, well, they used to call it Valorant. Now I guess they call it Radiant. So so there's Radiant, which is a top rank, and then I think it's Diamond below that, and then Platinum. Memory, is that right? So Radiant didn't get. If Diamond is next, didn't get. Platinum is next. I got Plat 3, but I didn't play that long. So I think if I would have kept pushing, I could have got like Diamond 2, Diamond 3. I don't know if I could have got Radiant, but maybe I could have got like High Diamond. Do some EFT, Hearth EFT. Radiant, Immortal, Diamond. Okay, I got Diamond 3. There you go. I was Diamond 3. And I just stopped. I was climbing Diamond fast too, and I just kind of stopped. I was just like, I don't want to play another CS. If I was going to play, like if I had to pick between Valorant and CS, I would still play CS. I think Valorant is a good game. I think mechanically it's awesome. I just don't like the immersion factor. I like the immersion. After playing something like Escape from Target, if you would have asked me 6 months ago, Valorant over CS, I would have said all day long, Valorant is a way better game. It's got a smoother engine. It's got better mechanics. Now, after playing Escape from Tarkov and realizing how much I appreciate the immersion factor of a game, I would say CSGO. Just because I don't like how all of the special effects in Valorant. I think it's fine. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I just think it's a lot more geared towards a younger audience. CSGO has a way better skill gap than Valorant. I think there's better players. Like, look, you have guys like Skadoodle and stuff like that who are Counter-Strike pros, always like big time Counter-Strike pros, like Skadoodle, this and that, and they go in Valorant and they're on like the top teams at the top level, right? And then you got guys like Sinatra and Tens who are like really good at Valorant, and they still get just destroyed by guys like Skadoodle who just kind of picked up Valorant but were top CS pros, and they just get destroyed by top CS pros. So I would agree that the skill gap in Counter-Strike is way better. You got guys like simple, like just disgusting, dude. Like old school guys like Pasha Biceps. Like Pasha Biceps is out of his prime, like 3 levels out of his prime, and he could probably still hang with like the best of the best, like Tens and Sinatra. Shroud is by no means like a top player in Valorant, but like he's good. Yeah, there's definitely way more skilled players in CS, but that doesn't mean that Valorant is like a crappier game because of that. It's just that CS has been developed for a lifetime. CS has players that are just they've devoted their life to it. I think over time Valorant will replace that, but it's just not there yet. But over time, give Valorant like 5 years, and if they really do a good job with it, yeah, okay, fine. Then it'll kind of hopefully be at the same level. But for now, it's just the CS scene is the skill gap in CS is just way bigger. It doesn't mean that it's not there in Valorant. It's just not developed enough yet. You missed the beginning of the stream? There's a replay function for that, dude. You got Valorant drop but could never drop CS. Yeah, exactly. CS is kind of like, yeah. The skill gap of Immortal players. Well, that's because of the team queue system and how their MMR works. Something I was not a fan of in Valorant, how you could get like a 4-stack in Valorant. And if you like put that 4-stack or 5-stack in solo queue, they'd be like, I don't know, gold 3, but they're playing at like a diamond 3 level. It's like, oh, okay. Because it just like the team queue system in that game is so broken. I have tried TFT. I tried TFT and Underlords. Yeah, auto battlers, not bad. Just check the replay, knickknack. I've been talking about it. How long ago I played Hearthstone? I picked up Hearthstone when it was first released. Like I'm a MTG player, so Hearthstone for me was cool, but I just don't play it often. What's my rank right now? Like 9k MMR in Battlegrounds? Okay, you know what? We'll do a game of Battlegrounds. It's already open on my desktop, so it's just kind of like, I don't know if you guys can hear the sound or if it's too loud, let me know. Oh, nope, we're gonna go to the main scene here. Oh, I should have hit my button on my, oh, this is gonna be all kinds of messed up now. I used my OBS instead of my Streamlabs. What are the best wallets to use? I think they all have pros and cons. I think just research. I think Electrum is pretty good. We drink coffee, nerd out, make money. Yeah. I mean, what else are you going to do, right? What else is there to do? Come on now. Maybe I'll boot up a game of Escape from Tarkov after. Ugh, such a bad start. This is about as bad as it gets. Yikes. What am I supposed to do with this? I just play game, like I played Hearthstone when it first came out, like the first season I played when it came out. But like, yeah, I just don't have time, man. When I had more time in life, I was like the most hardcore gamer, dude. I was playing Dota at like masters level. I was playing Counter, so like I was a pretty big into games. But like that's a college kid, right, man? I was a college kid just playing video games. That's how it is, right? But then like day trading took over my world. Oh, this is good. What does he have? A mech? Oh, good. I tie. Nice. Easy game. Oh no, wait. What if he has that stupid bot that has the resummon on it? Ah, he does too. Yeah, I lose. Fine. Yeah, tether at the end of each day. Yeah. Footage of getting actual bad entry. This Wrathweaver. Yeah. True. Yeah, so Bitcoin's kind of doing exactly what we thought, by the way. And we can kind of just go back and forth, I believe, with this screen right now. So we are going to go back and forth. Bitcoin is still moving up. We're going to increase this. So we are going to watch it still. But this is... Well, we were waiting for the afternoon for something like this to happen, but apparently it's happening now. Okay, we can make a big play here if we get something with the map. We can make a big play with this, and this. Let's see. So I think I go just double demon here instead of going with the metal tooth in this. 4-3-3-3. Yeah, you know what? Not ideal. I would have liked to get like a whatever that imp thing is called, the 3-3 taunt. I would have loved to get with this combo, but it's not bad. This is a really strong start. I can power level pretty good now, so I can tier up, sell this if I don't want to push the triple. I'll see what we get on the Dark Moon prize. Are you a fan of RTS games? Yeah, I used to play Command and Conquer, played a ton of Warcraft 3, played a ton of the Frozen Throne. Absolutely fan of RTSs, dude. I grew up when I was like 9, 8, 7. God, I remember playing like hold on, this is pretty bad. Although the coins allow me to push. You know what? Coins are huge here. Coins is the right play here because I can keep this and push for a triple. Oops. Soul Juggler's got to be an instant take here, right? Like Weaver's good because I get the 2/2, but Soul Juggler is huge here. This is like a pretty perfect start, actually. Given what I've had, this is like god tier start almost, right? Like that's pretty good. There you go, like that. What is he playing? Mixed, so he's had alley cats. He could have that taunt, so I think we go like this. Yeah, we go like this in case he has like a bigger taunt for some reason. He got +2/2 on a taunt, and this isn't enough to kill the 2/3. He's got like the 4/5 taunt that gives +1 to the guys on the side. We go here, Soul Juggler. Yeah, just in case. I don't think that's the case, but like there is a possibility here. Just don't hit the juggler, please. 81 to win, not bad. There we go, good. Oh no, rip juggler. That's bad. This needs to go there. I need to preserve. Oh, now it doesn't matter. Go here, go here. There we go. Easy win. Supreme Commander, best RTS game. I don't know if I've played Supreme Commander.
Nice workout.
Okay, so we can't push with the 1 coin, but we could go Wrathweaver and 2 of these if we sell this, and we'd have a pretty huge board with a lot of juggler scaling, or we could just push 2 of these. But I really feel like if we're buying this, we either roll and push for another demon. I think we... God, like I really don't want to play demons, but this is like what do you do here? Do you go for the 3 kit with this, and this becomes... And how much damage you take? You take 6 damage, I'll be at 29, but you've got big boys. You've got big spices. Do we just roll? Do we just forget all of this crap and just roll because it's too early to commit to demons with only 1 juggler? We go 2, take 2 damage, make this 9. That could be the play. That's not bad. Gives us the triple potential. I don't think taking another Wrathweaver here to just pound myself is smart. I think we just go like this, right? Because these are going to just juggle proc like crazy. We forget the Wrathweaver. Yeah, that's the play.
It's good to get some minions in play.
Perfect. Yep, that's the play. You go like that, like that. You just get max juggles because everything's going to be low damage anyways. It's all going to be like low HP. You put this maybe right here, but you... Yeah, you know what? Because if he has something, these 2 won't soak through it. So you don't want to use the 9 damage to soak through the 3rd hit on a taunt if he has a big taunt. So hopefully we hit this. What did we hit? We hit that. That's kind of bad. It's okay, I guess. This is kind of looking bad. We really need to snipe this thing. Snipe this, please. That's... I think we still win. Yeah, 77 to win. We still win, barely. We still win. It's okay. You love menagerie builds? Yeah. I mean, I have like a god tier start here. Like this is pretty crazy. Like I upgrade, freeze, play this, get my 4-drop, full board, triple next turn. I think Argus is the play. Obviously, Jug is not. Egg is good, but like Argus on this is just, it has to be the play here. You Argus these 2 because you're tripling this and you're not getting rid of it next turn, or you're pumping this, and I think you're Argusing this and this. Yeah, that's the play, like this. It's just, do you Argus this for the big buff? But then you're going to be tripling it and tossing it on that. I think you Argus this because it's going to... Yeah, you Argus this because no guarantees that we're actually going to use that. And we might eat this for stats after tripling it. This we won't eat if we're keeping this build. It's got to be right. These 2. Like that, like this, like that. Max damage on the end. That's not going to matter. Can he have a cleave? No. 3 beasts. He can have a cleave, but that won't die from it. Good. Decent start, dude. Rome Total War? Yeah, Rome Total War is an awesome game. Oh, that's so bad. Wow, the high rolls, man. That's good. That's a good buff. I'm getting high rolled out of my mind. Oh, this guy's huge favor, man. 93% to win. This guy's popping off, dude. Oh, those breakpoints are heartbreaking, though. Yikes, dude. Look at those breakpoints. 2, 1, 2. This I don't care about, but he eye rolled me. Okay, well, I was planning to take a 6 drop. I can't now. I'm gonna just go for a 5 drop and just stay on this tier. That's pretty crappy. I mean, I could take a 5 drop here. I got 50 seconds. I think I just take the 5 drop. I think I've got to push. So he hasn't power spiked yet, unless he's taking the mech and turning that 2/2 mech golden, the one that buffs things. Save the coin, sell this, get my 5 drop, or triple for the 6. I think I triple for the 6. Yeah. This will make a huge impact in the game right now instead of a 5 drop. It buffs this, it buffs this, makes my board stronger. I can go for a power play on 6, get this next turn. Gas Coiler is huge here. So good. I don't think we're ever going beast this game. We go Gas Coiler. Good. Decent start. Not bad. We got a 5 for next turn. We can play it. We can roll for 5s. Not a bad menagerie start with this. We'll toss this later. Maybe we'll keep this if we can triple this. Maybe we'll eat this one with the demon that gives you 3 gold. I think we're okay, guys. I think we stabilized pretty hard here. Well, that was terrible. Well, that was good. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, demon boys. Let's go. Oh, man. Feels bad for Reno. Where is it? Sorry, man. Tossing a sad face. Oh, feels so bad, man. This guy got rolled on that. He got rolled on that. Try League? Oh, I can't do League of Legends, dude. Battle Cries twice. No. I guess we just go for the gold. This is like such a low quality play, but yeah. What did he even have? Who did I play? Reno? He didn't have anything. He had a bunch of garbage. He had nothing that I need. This is crap. I don't want. This is really good, but not for my build. We just take the gold. And I guess we push for another 6 drop with the free gold. Full board, 2 6 drops, get the 5 next turn. Yeah, we're in it. That's so bad. Caligos is great, but like for what I have, this is just like all sorts of terrible. What does he have? Mechs? I could go Zap. It's such a bad play, but like maybe it wins me the round. I don't think there's a play for Caligos here. A full dragon transition. I've got 1 on board. I'd honestly rather go Menagerie at this point, especially since I have a Discover 5. Zap or Caligos, guys? I think as crappy as it is, it's got to be Zap, right? Just to win the round, to not take damage. Caligos, I think, is great, but I've got too many strong units, I think, to justify the Caligos. Could do that. Put this first. Hopefully it buffs the Zap. He is mech, so the problem is that like I wanted this to snipe the mech so he doesn't get the refreshers if he has them, but this might be a little better on that if we can get that kind of scenario to happen. So we hit this and this. Good. So we hit that and now we hit this. Good. Worked perfect. Hit this. Good. Perfect. I think we win this. I guess it depends on our summons. Okay, that's like absolutely useless. Not bad. Minimal damage and I'm tier 6, so I mean I'm in a big spot to power spike here. Damn, I'm good. That's a pure troll, dude. I'm not good. I'm like second last place, but this is good. This is good. We got another like power unit here. Go 5. Mithrax. Free turn, Mithrax. Okay, so do we go Gas Coiler or do we go Poison late game? Well, we take this because it's almost free gold. I guess we would rather have the Makesna over the Gas Coiler. So we've got a demon. What do we value more here? Makesna or Gas Coiler? I mean, we have already got Gas Coiler and we kind of want a gold spike. This is kind of tough. So Makesna's getting played. So let's sell this. This is gone. Play this. Oh, I should have sold the Juggler. What am I doing? That's... Okay, now we take the Makesna because we actually screwed up. Because now we need the actual units. That's bait. That's not good. This is good. We could maybe get one more unit if we find something of like high value here. Or we could go the Houndmaster on the Makesna. I think we just try to get a power spike. Elistra, there we go. So now we sell this, get Elistra. That, Elistra, take no more damage. Sneed, you. Right? Like this?
I will never be forgotten.
We don't want this to get cleaved if he has a... Oh, he doesn't have a cleave. He's dead. This is not even a thing. Doesn't matter. I'm actually wondering... Yeah, you know what? Let's do this. I don't want that dragon, but no. No, that's good. I almost forgot the Mithrax buff.
Win this thing.
I almost forgot that. I was going to sell 2 more units for the dragon as well, but... Which I probably should have. India banning crypto. I talked about it yesterday. If you check the stream from yesterday, there's a lot of information I said about that yesterday. Oh, he died with a golden Nomi. Damn, dude. This is why Nomi sucks. Okay, so we're pretty committed to Menagerie now, right? Like, what are we looking for now?
You're good at this.
No, no, roll. Yes. Coin. We do have a dragon here, but I don't think that's justifiable. I think you're looking for like a higher class of unit. This is huge. Shit. The only problem is now we're going to be a unit down if we actually play this. So it means if we buy this, we can't play it this turn. Because we have to sell something to put it on this, and there's nothing to sell on this board yet.
Go ahead and hide.
Oh, that's brutal. Unless I can find something on Faceless, sell this, play the Faceless. This is pretty bad. I kind of want this too. I'm trying to think if there's a play here. Like I sell the Zap, play this on this. That gives me 2 gold. And then I sell another unit to buy this. I sell the Wrathweaver to buy this. And Taunt. Yeah. God, it's risky. And it... What does he have? Mechs? Oh man, I need the Zap against him. Really want this. Damn, there's almost a really big play to be had here. Nothing. That was a really bad turn. Well, we got good units, but like we can't play them. And he's mech, so we're gonna go like this, that next, because in case he has Divine Shield, mechs, and then poison. Damn, there's like a really big play to be made there, but unfortunately it can't work there ever. Well, that's pretty brutal. And I don't even kill this and he gets the free refresh. I might be dead here. I'm actually favored to win, which is crazy. I guess because he's got such a low quality set of units. Yeah, I guess because his unit quality is just so low. Oh my god, this guy just got rolled. What happened? I don't know if you guys are watching the same game I am or if you play Hearthstone, but this guy literally just got rolled. This is what high rolling looks like. This is God gaming. I'm not even gonna kill this. He's gonna kill that. I'm gonna get another double. Oh. How does this happen? The only crappy thing is these are all useless. No Amalgadons, no genies, no rags. You know how huge rag would have been here with 6 units? You know how massive that would have been with 6 units? Yeah, it feels bad, man. Sorry, guy. Oh man, that... Okay, so we do triple this, right? So this is gone. You go here, but what if we don't... I don't know if we want to commit to that yet. So we take this. We gotta hurry. We got 50 seconds and a lot of cards. We need to find like a rag. Oh, it's heartbreaking. Can't use that. No, can't use that. No, we can take this. Okay, Bran. Makesna. Oh, another Makesna. Can't do it. Yeah, that's gone. Now we can play this. Now we can go here. We gotta hurry up. We have like no time. 1, 2. Ah, shit. I screwed up.
I will never be forgotten.
Another release drum. A genie. I guess because we need it.
Better hire a recruit while you can.
Oh my god, come on.
This is no place for mortals.
No time, man. Not gonna firewall exploit. Dude, that's so shitty. I need more time. Not bad, though. No Light Fangs, no Amalgadons, no Rags for the crazy, ridiculous high roll that I just had. Pretty bad quality rolls all around on 6. Still have a Zap. That's useless. No Mithraxes, no Faceless. Man, I'm lucky I'm even in this game still, to be honest with you guys. Like, I'm really lucky, but this is gonna snipe. Not that. No, dude, what are you on about? No, dude, it's all going wrong. I need this to hit this. I need this to hit this. There we go. I'm in. Dude, I'm low rolling, but I got an Amalgadon out of it, so that's good. I'm not out of the game, but man, imagine if I would have got like a Rag that turn. How huge my whole board would have been. Is it the Dark Moon turn? It is. Okay. 6-drop Hero Power. Oh boy. I think Hero Power is the right play here. Since there's 2 turns, I can scale a Hero Power better. Yeah. I got a Ghost right now. Bananas. Puzzle Box. Oh, here we go. This is huge. Now this can go there. What don't we need? We don't need this beast. Okay. Let's just... 47 seconds, not a lot of time. Nothing. One of these might be good for another Amalgadon later, but not now. Rag? Yeah. You're gone. You're gone. No. You know what? This is the shittier minion. And we need to roll again. Coin. Mithrax. This is pretty big. Damn. This is being played and staying. I guess a Mithrax is better here. Kind of feels wrong to buy another Mithrax there, to be honest. Light Fang.
Down a minion and up a goal.
Come on.
Big or go home, I always say.
And for this, on this, no poison though. Man, that's brutal. I'm not really happy with this, to be honest. Mithrax was the wrong buy. And I screwed that up too. I forgot I have a new hero power. So this has got to be... That's got to be there. Man. No Murlocs for poison either. Amalgadon. Damn, dude. Triple missed? Oh yeah, the triple. Yeah, I'm not pushing for 6. I'm not spending 6 gold for triple. I think you were talking about the double 37 damage to the ghost. Sorry, man. This is so crappy. I don't even think this is worth it. Like, what do I kick? Do I end up kicking the Mithrax? I don't think so, but it's just like, yeah, something's got to go here. Maybe it's the Light Fang that goes. This is a buy. This goes. It's 1 turn of buffs for 2 gold, which is shitty because I wasted 6 gold. And there we go. That's what we need.
That's quite the army you're building, friend.
Low. Did I buy this? No. That's hilarious. Obviously we buy this one because it's frozen. We want to roll through this. Kind of want to buy this though. 1, 2, +2, +2, and a 3/3. Nah, not worth it. We just want to buff the hell out of this thing, and you go here because you're gonna get smacked. You want to summon there. You go here. 1, 2, 3, 4 archetypes. I'm not that strong. It looks good. It's not. I'm not that strong. What does he have? Mech, so he's gonna have a divine shield. I'm almost wondering if it's better to put this here, like this. He can't cleave me. I only cleave him. This hits twice, divine shield. This can cleave, follow up 3rd. This won't be dead by then. This can hit. Yeah, I think this is the right order. I really want to put the poison divine shield there, like maybe in case he got like some kind of retarded scaling. Then just like, yeah, okay, I'm happy with it. Cotton Gaming rant. Oh, big snipes, dude. This guy's mad. Nice breakpoints. My ordering was like spot on. Ah, that sucked. I think I actually lose this. Tied. That's gross. I had a chance to lethal that guy.
I've got some fresh recruits for you.
Genie we take for the stats, right? Just roll through. Do we try to triple the Genie? I don't think so. But I do think this is a big take here. You know what? We're going to start with this. I almost want to take this. No, we got to push for another like Amalgadon or something. That's garbage. Trash. That's okay. It's worth taking.
I like where you're going.
That's good. That's our last unit then. 1, 2, 3, 4 by the demon. Yeah, okay. By the demon, right? Like that's the play. Yeah, absolutely. What does he have? Elementals with Divine Shield? Okay, so then we're going to want to do it like this. Pop, pop, cleave, hit. Yeah. Looks good. See how things go? Casey has like Wind Fury, something, cleave, or yeah, cleaves, like all these cleaves. This will have nice nice protection on that. Oh, that's a terrible hit. Oh, that's 2 terrible hits in a row. I've lost. This guy's like so strong. It's not even funny. This is nuts. Hopefully this goes here. It's not terrible. Yeah, I lose. I can't beat this. This is way too strong. This guy's god tier. Yeah, 100% to lose. I didn't even look. Yeah, 100% to lose for sure, dude. This guy's like god tier strong. I kind of like didn't scale hard enough. I feel like I needed another rag. I needed poison on my Amalgadon. I needed to find another Amalgadon. Like I just feel like I'll take third there. You know what? I'll take third. It's not great, but I'll take it. I don't play Hearthstone too much, dude. Just like the odd kind of game. Sick turn, just free gold, dude. I have no idea how that happened. I got triple double cycle and I get like 12 cards off that or some crap. 6 cards. It's kind of crazy. That turn though, I really needed to find a rag. Like if I found a rag or an Amalgadon, like everything I got was like 1 and 2 tier minions off those 6 free drops I got from all 3 genies that summoned. I ended up getting like nothing, and I think I got 1 3 drop. No, I got 2 3 drops. I got the +1/+1, and I got the Divine Shield, Wind Fury, whatever that is. But like no Amalgadons off of it, no rags. I really needed more rags to scale harder. All in all, good game. Happy with it. Glad to see you having some fun. Thanks, Ross. Yeah, man, I'm a little burned out from charting this week. But that said, let's toss over to Bitcoin for a second. BTC down, going way down. Yeah, BTC down, needs to keep going. I play very seldomly. Me does. I don't have time. I'll play like a couple games a week. RNGesus, that was pretty high rolly. It's just the only problem is it just wasn't. I didn't have any scaling on that. I think the only mistake I made there was buying the second Mithrax. I think the Light Fang for 1 turn was fine. It's equal to buying a cup, and I was against the Ghost, so actually it gives me more stats than a cup. And if I'm buying a cup, why not buy a Light Fang if I have a free spot and no rolls left against the Ghost, right? Like it's kind of the same thing. Expert tier annual gives you Blueprint and Butterfly effect. It's only open for today. What's up, Toxic? Chilling, man. Having a kind of a relaxed stream today. So do we play one more Hearthstone game and get off, or do we play some ETF or EFT? Jesus, Escape from Tarkov. feel like if I play Escape from Tarkov, it's going to be like a 2-hour thing because I'm going to have to log on. I'm going to have to toss on the Jenny, start crafting, sell some stuff, make room in my bag, go buy gear, create a loadout. Yeah, I don't know if I want to go through all that hassle. I don't have that much free time. Jesus, the launcher is just like dead for me. This is the Tarkov launcher. It's like dead. Did they have like downtime right now or something on Tarkov? Relaunch. I think they've got downtime right now on Tarkov. How is the volume, by the way? Is it like killing your guys' ears? This might kill your guys' ears. Hold on. Change scenes here for a moment. Hello, Tarkov? Can I launch my game? I think Escape from Tarkov is down right. Oh no, there it goes. Tarkov is not responding. Oh, are you kidding me, dude? Indie games, man. Close the program, I guess. Start it again. Third time. Nice one, man. Advanced lesson 3. Good. Keep going, dude. Audio was good. It was good for Hearthstone, but Tarkov might be a different story. Tarkov, I might have turned way up. I don't know. Dude, like my Tarkov launcher is like boink. There it goes. 4 launches to get this thing up. And twice on the app too. So that's 5 total. Dude, I swear to God, this guy to me, he looks like Shroud. I don't know why, but this guy on the starting screen, the one with the hood and the mask, he looks like Shroud, man. It's so weird. Got like the same eyes as Shroud. Thanks for all the content. You're welcome, Hercules. Heracles. It's not Hercules at all. It's Heracles. You're welcome, dude. What's a yikes? I don't know, man. I think they put up a picture of Shroud and they're like, dude, this guy's pretty handsome. Let's toss him in our game. Subliminal messaging. Gaming god like Shroud. Shroud is so crazy, dude. Like Shroud in his prime. He's past his prime now, obviously, but Shroud in his prime was just like on another level. Shroud was just like ridiculous. Is there anything I need to like hide here on my screen? No. Okay, which scene is it? Main? So let's see if this is actually working on Tarkov. What? I don't have any mail. What are you on about? I have things cooking in the hideout. I probably left my generator on like an idiot. This volume is probably going to kill your guys' ears right now. I'm assuming when I go to the hideout here, you guys are dead. No, not bad. What do I have here? I might have to change my stream settings to play this. It feels really clunky. I don't even know the prices of anything right now. What are bolts for right now? Still 20k. Okay. Fuel tank's still 100. $479 these things are right now? go. This thing will sell quick. What about power banks? What are they selling for? 150. 150. There's a hack to get these things for like 20k. There's also a hack to get these things, not like you're hacking. I just mean like there's a shortcut to get fuel tanks. Dude, what is this game on about? 300k. You can get these for like 15k. I won't tell you guys how. I'm sure you guys know if you play from Tarkov, but you can get these for 15k, and you can get. That's why I'm spam creating them, because I just don't pay anything for them. What do I have this on for? Oh, I was doing a budget PMC run. Yeah, okay. You know what? I got inventory management. See, this is why I didn't want to play Tarkov, because I'm just going to screw around forever getting things set up. This is exactly why I didn't want to play Tarkov. Where's my helmet, Scott? I don't remember where anything is. I haven't played in a while. Ah, Shroud Mask, let's go. Garbage. Wait. Here we go. Oh, I got a kit out of gun. I got to put the right ammo in it. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, these you can get these things for like 20k a piece. There's a way that you can get them for 20k a piece all day long. You buy like 15 a day, 20 a day. Same with the fibs. You can get them for like 10k a pop. Yeah, you guys want to know how? Fine. Yeah. I need to do inventory management. If you go to, so there's like kind of like a little hack you can do, I guess, if you want to call it. It's not like a hack. It's like the wrong way to say it. Take fuel tanks, toss them into your favorites list, and spam refresh, and you'll see what's his name sells them every like one. He'll sell one a minute, and it's up for like a split second. I'll try to snipe one and show you guys. And you want to do this too. You want to go currency, any rubles. Fence will sell one, and you can snipe it. So you just spend a couple minutes and you can snipe like fuel tanks for like 15k or 20k or whatever he sells them for. I think it's like maybe 50k now or something. But you just sit here, but it has to be through your wish list. Well, it doesn't have to be through your wish list. It just filters it a bit better. You just spam the refresh button. You can do the same thing with the fibs too. So you can like cycle back and forth. That's how I do it. Where is it? Power banks right there. Okay. You can like cycle back and forth between refreshes and like do it like this. No, too expensive. No, you have to refresh that one though, I believe. I have lots of power banks. I bought like 20 the other day. Makes me want a game again. I don't get time to play anything, dude. So it's like, this is like nice for me. This is a pretty crazy hack that you can do though. Because Fence sells them, he just only sells one every like whatever. And then when it comes in here, it's like the quickest way to snipe it from Fence. And you'll see one pop up for like 50k, and you just gotta snipe the hell out of it really quick. You gotta be faster than anybody else. Then you could just like profit hundreds of thousands all day long. I think I might have sold my case too high. I think I didn't filter it by price, but I don't really care. It'll sell. This is what people come for. Watch me spam the refresh button. Fuck. Gone. 60k. That's like pretty decent price. That was quick too. I wasn't that quick. Sometimes you have to be like really, really quick. Fence will sell them for even cheaper. I've gotten them for like 10k a pop, and then it's just like 300,000-400,000 profit easy. That was selling, being sold by somebody who's just like selling. But they have like bots doing this stuff, right? So you have to be like quicker than the bot, which is kind of hard. It's all based on like your refresh cycle versus the actual item being put up in the shop, right? Come on, fancy baby, where you at? This is why I didn't want to play Tarkov. We're gonna go back and play Hearthstone. I don't want to play this. I don't want to take the time to gear out and do all this crap. Because then I'm gonna want to do, yeah. Back to Hearthstone. Left the generator on. Don't care. This is exactly why I didn't want to play Tarkov, because I know it's just going to be a big time investment. I'm not prepared right now to. We'll run a game of Hearthstone. Not Discord. We don't want that up. What do we want? One more game and then we get off. Bathroom break real quick. Be right back. Sure. Just BTC USDT, man.
Hey, my favorite commander is back. Ready to get started?
Kind of want to play Valorant now. That's gross. Now you guys got me wanting to play Valorant. So that's the problem with Tarkov, is that, you know what? You boot up something like Tarkov and it just becomes such a big time sink if you haven't played it. Like Tarkov is the kind of game that,
Rooting for you.
like, I like to play Tarkov like Summit plays Tarkov. Just do chain runs, extract everything. That's why my inventory is such a mess, because I just have a ton of stuff I haven't bothered pulling out, right? We really need a token here, by the way. I didn't even check if this is a token lobby. No beast. So we got Murloc. Oh, okay, there we go.
Really raging out there.
Against the ghost. It's like the crappiest thing, because we have this and I mean, this is crappy because, like, we're against the ghost here, so this would have been perfect next turn. We could have just leveled up for free. Damn. From Hearthstone to EFT to Hearthstone to Valorant in 10 minutes. Yeah. So that's a bad thing about Valorant, or on the Valorant, Tarkov. Like that's where it like Tarkov is. I'd like to play it like Summit does. Like I want to just go and do like 5 or 6 PMC runs, and that's how I play it. And I extract on them, and then I just sell all the gear just to vendors. I don't even bother with the black market stuff and flea market, unless it's like a really good item, like a GPU or something you find, or like a mark key or something, and just do chain runs. And that's how I like to play Tarkov. So yeah, the problem is when you don't play Tarkov, that's actually decent. When you don't play Tarkov for, oh yeah, right, I can't buy it, of course. Hero power. What am I doing? I almost screwed up. When you don't play Tarkov for a while, you kind of like go back in and you need like an hour or two to set back up. So Oh, that's nice. Sweat under my armpits. That's hype for the camera. I'm wearing a sweater. What do you want? That's the problem with it. But now I'm kind of in the mood to boot up Valorant. Man, I haven't played Valorant in a long time. Maybe I'll download Valorant. Not to play on stream. I'm done after this game. But maybe to have as a secondary game to play on stream. Because Valorant would be fun for people. I think Hearthstone is okay. But I don't know. Do you guys really enjoy watching Hearthstone? Like, is this actually fun? Or would you rather watch, if I do play a game on stream, would you rather it be, yikes, that's a big board. Tier 1 still? Yeah. Oh, that's a scary board. I think people would just generally have a better time watching Valorant. Coins would be nice here. We got dragons in the lobby, so I do want to push for 3. This is all so useless. It's not even funny for me. I guess new recruit is the best. I have to hero power, so I can't level. I mean, I guess new recruit is the best. And I guess taking this dragon here is pretty decent too. Yeah, I don't think there's going to be a better tier 2 minion. This can scale all game. This can be something that I use all game. I don't think there's like a better tier 2 minion to take here, right? Not for this hero. Maybe the bomb. Maybe. Questionable if that's better. Murkai would be better because I can have poison later. But the poison is less valuable. Oh man, it only hit it once. Are you serious? Oh, that's brutal. If it hit it twice, I win that round. Oh man, I'm getting crushed. Valorant? Valorant would be better to watch. Yes, Valorant. Okay, you know what? I'll go download Valorant today. I'll reset up my account. Oh, look at this. Perfect. It's not perfect because it's on turns where my turn is straightforward. I want it to be on a turn. So I could sell the water droplet here and just force it all into the Glyph Guardian because I'm playing this guy. Oh man, I'm playing him one turn off. If I played him one turn later, every turn this game, it would be so much better. Should I sell this and just force it into the Glyph Guardian? Oh man, that's a hard pill to swallow, but I also don't want to buff this all game. I could get punished if I do that. That's like a kind of a risky play. I'm staying tier 3 all this game, so I think... Oh man, that's really like questionable to do that. But I don't want this thing soaking all game. This is like really, really risky, but I'm playing a ghost, so if now's the time to get rid of this thing... Like, look, there's 3 Divine Shield archetypes in this tier. So I need to start digging for them. There's the Elemental, there's the Mech, and there's the Dragon. You know what? We're gonna just kind of make a play here and hope it works out. Oh, this feels so wrong to do this early in the game. We need to spike like a huge roll next turn. Like our chances to get something here on 3 are huge, and we need to hit it, and we need this to scale. I don't know if that was the right play. This is like a really risky play. Valorant. Okay, dude, you know what? Sure, dude, I'll do Valorant. This thing gets 5 straight buffs though. Maybe it was worth it because this will scale. That shitty elemental is just going to be a big body on screen. Oh, this is not what I need. I don't really care about tripling this dragon either. I really need a Divine Shield here. So if I buy this, I can't hero power. So we do 3 rolls, pray for a Divine Shield. Oh my god. If I don't get one, I am so screwed. There we go. Huge. That's a big pull. So I can buy this, try to force another one. It's free, or I can roll. Buy this, sell it, hero power, see if I can spike another Cyclone. Nah, screw that. That's not worth it. Do this so we don't make any misclicks here. Nothing and nothing. Okay. This is really risky how I'm playing this, but I'm gonna just stick with my game plan. Well, if we're doing that, I guess we got to pull up Aim Trainer. You guys want to see how bad someone's aim is after... Here, let's just do something real quick. I guess I got to start using like Aim Trainer before I go into sessions, right? Aim Labs, here we go. We're gonna run a thing at aim lab, see how bad my aim. I have, okay, keep in mind, I haven't played a first person. Well, okay, I played Tarkov. That's not fair. Tarkov, you don't need crazy aim though, to be fair. I can't. Okay. That's aim labs you guys are hearing. We'll mess around with that after maybe. I got rolled that round, by the way. Took 5 damage. Actually rolled.
Battle. Pick yourself back up and turn it around.
I'm getting destroyed. I need to get divine shield here. There we go. Huge. Do I buy a second minion? No, screw that. There we go. Well, that sucks. So then we just buff this dragon with this solid hero power, right? Or do we take the free roll next turn? No, the stats are more valuable. I mean, if we start to stabilize, we can just stay on 3 all game and just play with our board. All just straight up divine shields all game. We don't need anything else. Wondering if I should have done this free roll next turn. And no, can't, because we need more minions. We literally need more minions. What we have now is not enough for Cthulhu. We're kind of low rolling a little bit on Cthulhu. Like, it's coming together, but it's not there yet. And I need a refresher for the Deflecto bot. 31% to win. Well, that's very surprising to me. So if this runs into the dragon, we're golden. So this here and here, maybe? Yes, here. That's good. This here. That's bad. Oh, that's really bad. Well, I lose. Hopefully this summons something that's not so scary. Just like a 1-drop, please. Not a 5 or a 6. That's not bad. I'll take it. 7 damage. Wasn't expecting this. Yeah. This is like, just like, there we go. This is what we needed. Oh man. Well, we take Time Thief to try to spike that Imp Mama, right? Didn't he only have like, he had 7. He has a lot of minions. So if we spike the Imp Mama, we replace with 1 tier higher. I don't think there's anything we want. I think we just go Time Thief. This is a really bad set of units, by the way. Like Taunt would have been good. Gruel would have been good. Imp Mama? Yes. Oh, that's huge. That's like just top notch pull there. And we level here, right? I don't think there's anything on 4 that we specifically want. Although Draconoid Enforcer would be good, but we got a free turn. So like, I kind of feel like we should just level here. Anoia module? Egg would be good. Yeah, okay, you know what? Let's start digging for egg and oil module. This is really good. We're really set up nice here. This Imp Mama is going to be a huge part of our game plan. Kind of got this like menagerie Cthulhu kind of thing going on. That's fantastic. Getting these buffs on Imp Mama is so huge right now. We need an egg for this with Divine Shield on it. We get an egg, we're like really in a good spot. So there's a lot of minions we can pull here that are going to be huge value. Draconoid, egg, taunt is great. This is kind of a little premature on the taunt, but like, yeah, I think we need to get a few more minions first here. Bolvar is decent. Can we be that picky right now? This guy's pretty strong. Should we just take the Bolvar? Like, I don't know. I don't think we're ever going Menagerie here. Bolvar and Taunt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sell 1 unit back. So it's like Taunt or Bolvar. I guess we take the Bolvar. This kind of sucks, but like... Or do we just keep rolling? Bolvar's not bad. It makes us strong right now, but I don't want to commit to a Bolvar. I don't think we're ever going to have time to go Menagerie. We got 80 seconds. We're chilling. Okay, we take the Bolvar. Kind of stuck with it because it's going to hit up all the... No, you know what? No. We're going to continue to roll. And if we blank, we blank. This is good. This is looking like a blank. Yeah, so this is the minion we take this turn on Hugh. That is so bad. That is so bad. Bolvar was better than this. This is not good.
Go ahead and hire one of these recruits.
That's good. Yeah, I guess so, right? Do we freeze for the egg though, or do we just dig for another one of these now? I think we just dig for another Deflecto. Although the egg is going to be a pretty big unit this game. Nah, you know what? We're going to take the egg. Egg can be pretty hard carry. If I get another Deflecto next turn, like if I get egg and Deflecto or egg and Divine Shield on it, it's really good. Then I have like a flex spot to do whatever I want. We've kind of got our board developed. I don't know. It's okay. I'm not like elated with my choices in gameplay right now. I think maybe I could have played this better. I think maybe if I just pushed Tavern Tiers. I think at this point we're just trying to like preserve MMR top 4. I don't really know if we can. I mean, we're decently strong though. Like we're scaling pretty good. I guess if we got a Light Fang, that would be really good. So could try to push for a triple. Oh, that's good. Take that. Can we kill this guy? We can kill this guy. I think we do kill this guy. What is this summon? Yeah, he's dead. He's gone. Sorry, man. Quickly before he leaves. Sorry, man. Yeah, this is called Battleground. This is a different game mode that they have. I'm against first place. Karma. Karma served. Oh, there's the nuts right there, right? Like, and we can't take this. That's the depressing part. But we definitely take the Divine Shield over this for this turn. Yeah, I mean, this is perfect. This is exactly what we're looking for. Draconoid. But do we go for a flex spot? Another Divine Shield? Okay, so we're doing this 100%. Like that's not even a question. And I'm not taking the Draconoid over the Divine Shield on this. I don't know. Do we go for the Draconoid here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're keeping this forever. It's too far developed. I don't think we go for this. You know what? I think we just go for another Deflecto, or we push next Tavern Tier. Dark Moon Prize next turn. So if I do make it 2 more turns, I've got something that can save me. At least I'm not losing MMR with this terrible debacle of a build. So that's their cleave. I don't think we take this. I think we're looking for another Deflecto. Or Dragon, or Bronze Warden. That's good, right? No, it's not good enough. No, it's not good enough. If I could tier up, buy this and Hero Power, I would, but I'm 1 gold off. Oh, that was such a bad hit. Oh no, dude. What a nightmare of a hit. That was good. This is pretty grim. That was good. I actually win now because of that. I was 90% to win that and I almost lost? Whoa. 90% against first. Our build is not so bad after all. Oh, dead guy. Let's go. I guess we buy this, buff this, sell Hero Power, right? Okay, game. Dead guy fight. We're in this, boys. Let's go. Not bad. It's coming together. Thanks for teaching me to trade with tutorials. Started watching you all of them in the summer. Nice, dude. That's great. Yeah, so I'm just playing a game today just to kind of chill out. Like, too much charting this week. We'll go take a look at Bitcoin, see what it's doing. But yeah, too much charting this week. If Bitcoin kind of breaks over 4,800 here, it's gone. Today is super chill. It's Friday. We worked all week like crazy. Yeah, today is super chill. Now we just need 3 light fangs. Yeah, so this mode is called Battlegrounds for Ackles. This is yeah, this is not the same. It's a different game mode that they have completely. This guy's taking damage. Let me tell you a thing or two. Oh no, he killed it. That's too bad. I would like to triple this thing, the Crackling Cyclone. That would be a really big pull. That would be a huge pull to triple this. I don't even think we're looking for another Deflectobot at this point. I think it's too late. You start scaling a Deflectobot now, and what's the point? Nobody got knocked out. What are you on about? And there's the Deflectobot. Double a minion's attack or Divine Shield? I think double attack on this, right? I don't think we care about Divine Shield. What do we want? Divine Shield on what? It's not bad on this. I don't think we want a 6-drop every. I think it's just double attack on this. Man, that's a tough choice because you know what? Divine Shield on this is decent. Discover a 6. How much time do I have? 47 seconds. I don't really think there's too much on 6 that I want at this point. I just think we double on this. I should have played it at the end of turn. That was a mistake. Mithrax. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, don't I have a Murloc? Mithrax is not bad. I guess I should buy it as a backup unit in case I completely blank, and this allows me to just kind of look for buffs. This I want. Oh no. Oh, I should have bought the buff from last turn. I want both of those. I guess not. Faceless? Yeah, we'll take the Faceless. We can always toss the Bronze Warden. I don't know if we really need it. Yeah, I kind of screwed that turn up. I shouldn't have bought the Mithrax. It's just that it self-scales at this point more than anything else, but like, I think that was a mistake. I screwed that up. I should not have made that play. I'm 76 to win though still. I'm still like just destroying everybody. That was horrible. Hopefully this snipes the... oh, that's terrible. Oh, those are such bad hits, man. That's not bad, I suppose. That's terrible too. These hits are just... oh, that was good. Okay, you know, we're chilling now. Now we're okay. We'll win. We knock them out. I was getting some pretty low quality trades there though, I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't worry too much about the news, dude. Yeah, like we could toss a dragon. It's not that big yet. If we get something worth. So I can triple this here, which I think is worth it. It's just the dragon is better than the Mithrax right now. So we sell the Mithrax and we go for the 6-drop. This is too good for this. This is way too strong to get rid of that. The dragon is too good. So do we sell this? Okay, so let's do this first. So do we sell this? Or do we sell the Mithrax? Probably the Mithrax, right? But the Mithrax is scaling nicely. I think we sell the bronze. I think we sell this. That's messed up, but I don't think it's developed enough. I think it hasn't been hit enough. And I think the Mithrax is more valuable than it, to be honest with you guys. Yeah, okay, you know what? And then we get the big slam dunk off this. We get our 6th unit. We can do this. Elystra's huge here. Now I wish I kept that over the Mithrax. And we want this second because we still want to proc. We're not... no, we don't need to because you know what? We have this. So then we just put the Mithrax there to soak damage. Because this is too valuable. It's gonna four cracks. This is gonna refresh on this whenever it happens. Balistra hits that. This goes. Yeah, it's good. No space for anything. There's nothing even to buy here. Just looking for survival at this point. We aim for top 4 and you know what, we're there. And somehow we're in first place. I don't know. That's pretty crazy. But this with my hero power is going to be insane if I can stay in this game. What? That's a weird. And that sucks. Oh no, it doesn't because I've got this. Never mind. It doesn't suck. Bad hit. Bad hit. 2 bad hits. Nice. I guess it's good because it's better than hitting something else after hitting that. 57 to win, 54 to lethal. Good. Okay, that was like so pointless. Do I actually win this? There's a world in which I win this. That's part of it. Oh, that's not good. Oh, there we go. I win. He's out. See you, friend. Better luck in your next game. No trades today? Nah. Chilling out today, man. Am I gonna play Valorant? Yeah, I think I'm gonna download it, dude.
Nice work out there.
Okay, so what's the goal here now? This is always being played. Is there any value to any triples here? The egg is okay. The Mithrax is okay. We're never playing anything else. Do we level and look for an Amalgadon next turn? Is there any reason? So he's playing Murlocs. This guy's just big stats. This guy's Murlocs. I haven't played him. So he's going to be big stats too. It's like this guy's going to be some nasty stats. I don't know if there's a point in leveling. Just to do more damage? No, I think we should try to triple the Mithrax, triple the egg, triple the dragon at this point. Like 1, 2, 3. But it's just so unlikely to happen. Like, what's the point? Full pivot, double Khadgar. Yep, let's go. Right there. It's the combo right there. Actually, that's funny. It's a pivot combo. Okay, you know what? We're just going to roll. Because there's... I don't like that. Screw it. We're rolling. There's no benefit to staying on that tier. Like, going to a tier up in this game, I don't see any benefit at all. Mithrax? Nah. Nothing. Okay, that's fine. I just don't really see what we can do to get stronger. We have our Elistra. We have our Crackling Cyclone 4, which didn't get buffed at all, which sucks. Getting another Mithrax there, it's okay, but... Okay, good. This 4 hits right here, kill this thing instantly. That's perfect. Play COD or Rust? I don't know about that. Which COD? You mean like Warzone COD? 754, it's enough. I think we win. 84 to win, dude. Guys, how am I winning these games? How am I winning this? Because I soaked all his divine shields, every single divine shield, and then I just like high rolled that too. Come on, go right here. Oh. Ask and you shall receive. You know what I'm saying? Oh, dude, I'm actually high rolling this guy so bad. Yeah, he's waving goodbye right now. Bye, man. Sorry. Yeah, this guy got so high rolled, dude. Oh, it's hilarious. Ah, this guy got rolled, dude. This guy got so rolled. I mean, I was favored heavily, but he got like rolled. Okay, we'll try to triple the Mithrax. One more roll to do it. That's hilarious, dude. That guy got so rolled, dude. Isn't there like crazy hackers in Warzone? Isn't that like a big problem? I keep seeing people on Twitch saying about how there's hackers like Dr. Disrespect, and people are saying how there's like crazy hackers in it or something. If only I knew how this game works. Trust me, you don't want to know. This is like a terrible game. Battlegrounds is a horrible steaming pile of trash, dude. COD with some people. I think Valorant could be fun. I think Valorant is kind of like, could be kind of fun. Dude, that guy got just destroyed. I feel kind of bad, man. This guy's only dragons, so I guess we want to do that against dragons. We want to take off the divine shields and kill anything we can. He's going to be full divine shields. I mean, I think this guy wins if he's full dragons 6. Yeah, I think he wins, but I mean, hell, we were aiming for top 4 with the way this thing started, so second place, I'll take it, man. Come on, keep hitting this. 3 hits on it, not bad. If we make it one more turn, we might be able to do something. Yeah, like this is just too heavy to defeat. The good news is we kill this full off, and then we are going to kill one of his minions. I hope we hit this one here. This Dragon Spawn Lieutenant. Yes, good hit, dude. We might actually win this game now. Maybe. There's a chance. There's a chance. This hits here. That's going to trade there. This dies. So that doesn't die, which kind of sucks. If this... No, it can't. Oh, that's kind of good. Kind of good. Divine Shield soaks. That kills. This is good. I think we might actually win on a 30% chance. That's huge. Oh, it's so close. We were so close to winning. We almost had it, guys. Is there any world in which we can win with a ghoul? We got to get a ghoul to beat this guy.
Welcome back. How's it going out there?
Make a friendly minion and golden and return it to your hand. Oh, I don't really have anything that's crazy stats, so this isn't really good. But this, make a friendly minion golden and return it to your hand. That's pretty good on the Imp Mama. I think we do that. And we need to find a ghoul. So we can play this because it's free stats, but we really need a ghoul. Poison doesn't do anything. We don't have a Murloc. We really need a ghoul. I don't know if we should have even bought that. Man, no ghoul. Feels bad, man. Not bad, though. I mean, not bad. As good as you can expect. Oh, I forgot I get a 6-drop here. It doesn't matter. Did nothing. Same order. Like, we're not changing anything. We just need this to get more mathematically impossible achieved. Whatever that is. I don't think I can beat this guy. Double Nadina. He got... What did he get here? He put something on this that he got some kind of like... Oh, he tripled it. That's why. Yeah. This doesn't even get to hit to trigger. Oh, yes, it does. Good. It does summon both, right? No, it only summons one. Bad order. My own fault. Oh, that's so brutal. 19%. Yeah, my order could have been better. I don't really deserve this win on that order, but I don't know. I'm happy with second place here. I'm very happy with second place. Pretty tough to beat dragons with Cthulhu scale. I'll take it, man. That's decent return. Like, I was playing for top 4. I'll take second. I could have positioned this better. I don't think it would have made a difference though. Although it might have. Okay, I think that's it for me today, guys. We'll take a look at Bitcoin here. It's about as much Battlegrounds as I can handle for 1 week. I don't like the game is like, I'm not... It's okay, but it's not that great. Decent though, dude. Third place last game, second place this game. I'll take it. Kind of high rolled getting that Imp Mama. That thing kind of carried us all game. Okay, I'm out of here. See you guys on Monday.